Frank Talks.
Grabe
Okay?
yung ano
And
niyan,
then,
mga challenges sa
yes,
breastfeeding,
it
of
was
course. Mm.
it was very challenging po talaga, Sir Frank, kasi pinagsabay-sabay mo yun eh. You have to manage your time, ika nga. And then,
Mm.
luckily, I have my mom. Nakuha ko yung nanay ko to look after Hadi when he
Mm.
was a baby. And then,
Mm.
kasama ko siya. Parang, yung halimbawa, nung wala pa yung nanay ko, kasama si Hadi ng driver namin.
Mm.
Kasama sa sasakyan with that, little crate ba yun or baby
Mm,
seater.
mm.
Nandun
Mm.
siya para lang makadede sa akin. Kasi kahit saan
Mm.
ako, yung company driver namin, lady driver. So,
Mm.
dinadala niya si Hadi para lang makadede sa akin, ganon. Kasi working ako, moving. Kasi house to house po kami. Yung
Ah.
kliyente namin wala sa center, house to house kami. Pumupunta kami sa bahay-bahay just to give a therapy for a child. So, yun
Mm.
yun. Yun yung, doon, Sir Frank. Yun yung challenging talaga na mga moment. And then,
Mm.
yeah,
Frank Talks.